Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Akamai University. So first of all, you have to open a Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section, that is a URL section, simply type Akamai University and enter it. And from the first section right over here, the Akamai University, click on that. And in the top right corner, there's a login or register option over here. Click on that option in order to get a page of login. And you have two options. If you want to log in, you have to click on this. But if you do not have an account and enroll an account, then click on this register in order to create an account in the Akamai University. And we are required with our email address and our password as well, and click on the login and you'll be successfully logged into your Akamai University. But if you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, here's an option that says reset password in order to reset your password. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.